Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to my channel.
পাবদা আছে, চাপিলা আছে, লইট্টা আছে, চেউ মাছ আছে, চেপা আছে, চিংড়ি, কাসকি, মলা মাছ,
Right now I'm standing in front of a dead fish seller right beside a local vegetable market called Palwari Kache Bazar. The seller is selling dead fish from a van with various types like loitta, chapila and shrimp fish neatly arranged. He visits this market every Friday. Dead fish is popularly known as shutkimas in Bangladesh. Dead fish, a traditional and delicious food item in many parts of the world. You know, dead fish is a great source of protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and essential nutrients. Dead fish can be preserved for a long time without refrigeration. Well, if you have never tried it before, I recommend you to explore dead fish recipes and experience its unique flavor. So viewers, this is how I practice speaking by observing my surroundings and describing what I see in English. It's simple, practical and enjoyable. By narrating your observations, you can build confidence and fluency in a natural way. So viewers, you can do it too. Look around, pay attention to the details and try explaining what you see in English. This hands-on approach is a great way to start speaking English confidently and practically. Dear viewers, if you are interested in practicing English speaking using an online platform, you can comment below. That's all for today. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, follow and subscribe to my channel for more interesting topics. Have a wonderful day and thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.
নিতে পারেন ভাই, আমরা সব তর্ক করি না।